How to link your Instagram with your Facebook page. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your Instagram and then go to your profile icon. Now, simply copy your username and then go to Facebook. Now switch to your Facebook page. Go to the page account, scroll down and then go to see more. Now, you will see an option of link to your website. Go to add website and then tap on add social link. Paste your username here and then save it. So now your Instagram is linked with your Facebook page. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.